Welcome to Video Culinary. I'm Daniela, and today Grandma Emma and I are going to make madeleines, small French sponge cakes. Place 60 grams of butter in a mixing bowl. Add 60 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Beat until creamy and smooth. Add 1 egg in 2 batches, scraping down the sides of the bowl once or twice. Sift 60 grams of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder into the mixture. Fold until incorporated. Fill a pastry bag with the batter and pipe into a lightly greased Madeleine pan, filling the mold 3/4 full. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until the edges are golden brown. Cool slightly, unmold, and cool completely. Serve and enjoy! Please visit our website VideoCulinary.com for peanut butter cookies, coconut macaroons, brutti maboni, and other delicious, easy-to-follow recipes. Good luck and see you next time!